G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. As you can see, it's quite a large piece. It's been blocked out of a larger specimen. The white that you could see earlier was a reflection of the lights, as you can see there again. It's got some nice colour, this piece. And then this looks like it goes under here, comes out over here, and there's indications of colour there again. Somewhere it drops down onto this other layer. It's there. Nothing else. It's nice hard material, so it should polish, give you a nice polish to finish it off, but should end up a pretty little stone. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.